Ah!
This is a story about the Fassett family, a sign family of wizards. The Fassett Wizards. Riley Fassett founded R.D. Fassett Signs of Quality in the late 30s in Los Angeles, California. He knew 10 fonts he could hand letter and perform on-site lettering on storefronts and cars. He taught his son Jim to help him screen print real estate signs and create bounce patterns. Jim joined the U.S. Naval Academy in the 50s before marrying his wife Nancy. In the mid-70s, while working as a product development manager for Hughes Aircraft in Carlsbad, California, Jim discovered a powerful new tool that could cut out materials and thicknesses at tight tolerances called an industrial laser cutter. Intrigued by how he could use it in the sign business, Jim left to start integrated laser systems. Nancy left her career as a teacher to join the sign industry, and in the 80s and 90s, Jim, Nancy, and their 3 children, Scott, Dave, and Jeff, worked the family business. Jim was the founder and visionary with the sign background and engineering skills. Nancy was vice president and handled sales and accounting duties. Scott was the creative artist. Dave was the programmer, and young Jeff swept the shop until he was promoted to gopher once he was old enough to drive. Around this time, while Jim mused about how to put a knife, hot tip, or diamond tip on a pen plotter to cut vinyl, Gerber launched their groundbreaking Sign Maker 4B, validating many of Jim's assumptions about both the need for design software and the viability of vinyl cutters. The Sign Maker 4B, with only standard keyboard input, lacked a graphical user interface, and Jim realized the real opportunity was in the software, and thus Ares Graphics was born. Dave started writing Sign Wizard 1.0 in 1989 and launched the software at the NESA show in San Francisco in 1991. Customers had never seen this kind of software before. The software was fun and intuitive, not clunky and cumbersome like CAD programs of that day. Many operations could be done with a single mouse click, and customers loved it. Jim had another idea: automating the manual process of drawing neon patterns in an electrical sign shop. Step by step, the Fassets designed a product that automated this long-standing manual process in a sign shop, and in 1994, Neon Wizard was born, making its way into the largest shops and sustaining the business for about 10 years. But then something changed. The light-emitting diode, or LED, inevitably made its way into the sign business. As the neon versus LED debate raged, the Fassets found themselves in the right place at the right time with LED Wizard. Launched in 2007 as a module for Sign Wizard, or Neon Wizard, LED Wizard enabled shops to create their own LED layouts based on the data and direction from a variety of early LED providers. Neon had been the dominant lighting technology for many decades and was well understood. The LED population of signs, however, was not, and shops needed help. In 2013, Jim finally retired at 77 years old, while Dave and Jeff moved the business from San Diego to Ventura. LED Wizard grew to become the global industry standard LED layout software, and Principal LED, one of its domestic LED suppliers, was growing too, snapping up licenses of LED Wizard as they established more distribution partners and launched their innovative stick-based lighting products. In 2019, Principal LED acquired Ares Graphics, making it part of the Principal Industries family. Today, Dave and Jeff continue applying what they know to new challenges, finding new ways to streamline workflows in the industry and new ways to help sign makers be successful.